Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How does the IRS know who the custodial parent is? This is a huge source of confusion for separated and divorced parents, and the short answer is, they don't know automatically. The IRS relies on what you tell them on your tax return, and they only get involved when there's a conflict. The most common conflict happens when two different people try to claim the same child as a dependent. So, how does the IRS settle this? They use a set of very specific rules, often called tiebreaker rules, and it's crucial to understand them. The number one rule the IRS uses to determine the custodial parent for tax purposes is simple: it's the parent with whom the child lived for the greater number of nights during the year. It's all about counting the nights. If your child spent 183 nights or more with you, you are the custodial parent in the eyes of the IRS, period. It doesn't matter what your divorce decree or custody agreement says about who gets to claim the child. The IRS follows its own rules, not court orders, unless specific paperwork is filed. Now, what if the number of nights is exactly equal, a perfect split? This is rare, but it can happen. In that case, the IRS moves to the next tiebreaker rule: the parent with the higher adjusted gross income, or AGI, gets to claim the child. But what if your court order says the non-custodial parent gets to claim the child? This is very common. The IRS has a specific way to handle this. The custodial parent, the one with more nights, must sign IRS Form 8332, which is a release of claim to exemption for child. This form is then attached to the non-custodial parent's tax return. This is the official, IRS-approved way to transfer the dependency claim. Without this signed form, if the non-custodial parent claims the child, and the custodial parent also claims the child, the IRS will automatically side with the custodial parent based on the nights spent rule. Both parents will receive a letter from the IRS, an audit will likely be triggered, and the parent who improperly claimed the child will have to pay back any refund received, plus penalties and interest. So, to recap, the IRS determines the custodial parent based on who the child lived with for more nights. This rule trumps court orders unless the custodial parent signs a Form 8332 to release the claim. Understanding this can save you from a major headache and a costly notice from the IRS. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped clarify a very confusing topic. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of complex tax issues.